transfer to a plate. More shichimi togarashi, like this. The sesame oil aroma is so good. Hello everybody, welcome back to KantanFood by Satsushi. It's been a while, about 1 year. I'm sorry I didn't publish any videos for the longest time. Last live stream on tbsp, many friends encouraged me to restart this channel. This is my first restarting video. Today I'm showing you how to use Shichimi Togarashi. It's a Japanese chili pepper mix. Consists of chili pepper, Japanese pepper, mandarin orange peels, sesame seeds, or like so. 7 spices inside. We use for like udon noodles or gyudon or nabe. It has a kick, not only the spiciness, it has variety of aroma. Today I will be showing 5 recipes. Those are very easy and simple. So let's get started. The first one is toast. The shichimi is not only for Japanese recipe, good for toast or pasta too. So here's one bread for like a sandwich. Here I smear butter. You can use mayonnaise instead, but I like butter. So smear nicely onto the edge. This, like this. Okay, and here put some cheese on top. And here sprinkle shichimi pepper. So amount is like this. It's spicy. Please adjust to your preference. I sprinkled about 1/4 teaspoon. And let's toast this. Okay, put on the toaster. Okay, nicely toasted. Once again, sprinkle a little bit of shichimi pepper on top. It's beautiful. So here's cheese toast with shichimi pepper. So the next dish is using corn. This one is also very simple. Just saute and sprinkle shichimi pepper. So in a frying pan, put butter inside and melt it. Okay. It's quite fast. And here put corn like this and stir fry nicely. The butter smell is so good. I love this combination, butter and corn. Maybe you love this too. You don't have to cook so long because these corn are already edible. Okay. Color becomes very vivid yellow. I think it's good. So once turn over the heat, and here sprinkle chili peppers, shichimi togarashi, like this. About 1/4 teaspoon of shichimi togarashi. Don't put too much, it's spicy. And butter has a saltiness, so you don't have to add any salt, but if you want, sprinkle some salt a little bit. Don't put so much. And mix. And transfer to your plate. Of course, you can sprinkle more shichimi togarashi like this if you like. If you like, don't put too much. Okay. So here is corn with shichimi chili pepper. I already made 2. So next one is your favorite ingredients, I think, the potato. So potato dish, this is fried potato using the frozen one. Of course, you can use fresh one. Heat a frying pan first and pour oil. I pour about 2 tablespoons of oil. I read the instruction of the bag, the frozen potato bag. So it says, of course, you know how to make fried potato. Once oil becomes hot, put frozen potato inside and coat oil nicely. Oil all around. And sometimes flip them over. Yep. You want to make it crispy. Okay, it becomes nice and crispy outside. Okay, then turn off the heat. Sprinkle some salt and shichimi pepper like this. Don't put too much. It becomes too spicy. And combine. Ooh, the sound is very light. Okay. Transfer to your plate. Looks nice. And here, once again, sprinkle shichimi pepper. Beautiful red color. Fried potato with shichimi pepper is done. So the next dish is using chicken, grilled chicken. Grilled chicken and shichimi chili pepper is a very good friend. We use this shichimi pepper with nabe. Usually inside of the nabe hot pot, we put chicken. Chicken and shichimi combination is fabulous. So first, pour oil inside of the frying pan and make it hot. And here I put chicken thigh meat. You can use chicken breast meat, of course. And today I'm using about half pound of chicken meat. It's 250 grams. Okay, it become hot. So today's chicken in Japan, we have already cut chicken meat. It's for karaage, the fried chicken. So it's very convenient. I'm using that. And put these chicken meat. The skin side is at the bottom. Skin is the bottom side. Okay. And cook nicely. And here, I press this chicken meat. I want to make it this chicken skin crispy. When I make grilled chicken, I put the hot pot on top of the frying pan to press this meat. And it makes this chicken meat very crispy. Okay, the bottom side become crispy, so flip it over. Okay, the color become really beautiful. I think it's okay. Okay, here, turn off the heat, and here is mayonnaise. 1.5 tablespoon of mayonnaise, and 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, and garlic. So, combine nicely. Smells so nice. Wow. The garlic aroma came. So good. The color is nice. Smell is nice. This is very appetizing. Okay. And finally, sprinkle shichimi pepper like this. I sprinkle about quarter teaspoon. Yeah, I like spicy chicken. Okay. And mix once again. Coat with this shichimi chili pepper so nicely. Okay, okay. Then transfer to a plate. Ooh, this looks so nice. Smells nice, looks nice. Mayonnaise and shichimi chili pepper is also very good friends. So try this one. So the last dish is pasta dish. We use shichimi with udon noodles. Why not pasta? It's a very good combination. In the boiling water, put pasta and cook 10 minutes. My pasta requires 10 minutes to al dente, so I follow the instruction, 10 minutes. So while boiling pasta, make sauce. In this bowl, pour 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, and garlic. And put about quarter teaspoon of shichimi pepper and combine. Very simple sauce. Yes, that's it. That's it. But it's really good. Okay, pasta is cooked. So take it out from the pot and move to this colander and remove excess water and dump into this sauce and mix, mix, mix. The sesame oil aroma is so good. Okay, it's combined nicely. Then transfer to your favorite pasta plate. Smells nice, looks nice. Very appetizing color. And here, one last time, I sprinkle Shichimi pepper. Like this. Do not put too much, it's spicy. And sprinkle some green onion for the color and sliver of nori seaweed. It's for the aroma. Voila, here is a Shichimi chili pepper spaghetti. These are today's all stars. Corn, cheese toast, potato, pasta, and grilled chicken. So let's eat. First, corn. It's very simple dish, but it's tasty. Of course, you know how tasty the corn, butter corn is. This one is added shichimi pepper. It's a very good accent. Oh, it's a kick. And shichimi, it's a chili pepper mix, but not only the spicy, hot spiciness. It has another flavors. They use Japanese pepper, sansho, so it has a numbing taste. Sesame seeds, so there's a toasted aroma, and mandarin orange peel, it's dried one. So it was a kind of refreshness. And sometimes they add yuzu, so that you can enjoy the yuzu aroma in that case. This is very nice spice. Fried potato. Fried potato. You can see the specks of shichimi. A little bit sweet potato. This is not sweet potato, it's just potato, but it has a natural sweetness. It's combined with this, the spiciness of this shichimi. It's a very good combination. Cheese toast. I already said, shichimi and cheese, the combination is fabulous. The umami of cheese and the fermentation flavor of cheese and the kick of this shichimi. Nice, so good. Grilled chicken. Not only the chicken taste, I added mayonnaise, so it's another dimension. So this is a very good combination with mayonnaise and chili pepper shichimi. We sometimes use for dip this shichimi combined with mayonnaise and put the carrot or daikon or cucumber sticks to the dip. It's fabulous. Try it. And last one is pasta. I like pasta. You like pasta? And soy sauce and sesame oil. It's a very good condiment for pasta. But not only that, this shichimi gives a very nice accent. I hope you learned shichimi is a very useful spice. You can put variety of things. Not only Japanese food like udon or nabe. So please try for your daily dishes. And you can buy shichimi pepper at Asian supermarket or Kokorocare package. Sometimes we collaborate. I put a link in this description. Don't worry, this is not a sponsored video. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video. So what do you want me to make next? Please let me know. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.